Stupid posers been trying to tell you things forever. Like metal, and school, and gardening, and metal, and grilling, and metal, grilling, metal, grilling, metal, grilling. This is how you make a monster slab of ribs.
First, to make your rib rub, you take a bunch of ingredients, magic.
Sent down from the gods of Valhalla.
You put it into this. You don't even need to measure it, you just put it in. Paprika, and you just pour it in there. Are you measuring it?
Who cares? No one cares. Are you a poser? Posers measure stuff.
White pepper, and you pour it in there.
Doesn't matter, it's getting everywhere. Who cares? Don't be a poser. Cumin. Cayenne Pepper.
Not too much salt. If you have too much salt, it'll be too salty, and no one will like your ribs, and you'll be considered a poser.
Don't be a poser.
Brown sugar, after you've added your white pepper and your garlic powder, to kind of get that nice sweet flavoring that you want. Or ask myself this question.
What would man want? And they wouldn't be a poser. They would mix it up with their hands. So you get your nice sweat and brawn mixed into there. So all your friends and family can enjoy the power of the monster slab of metal ribs. And right before that, you ask the gods of metal for a blessing. Grace!
Now listen up, we have this beautiful piece of
Mutilated pig flesh that we are about to offer to the gods. But you must prepare it properly. Don't be a poser.
First, you must cut it in half to fit inside your smoker. Now, you also have to get rid of this membrane. The best way to do that is to take a knife to the bone and try to lift it up as much as possible. This one doesn't have a lot of membrane on it. So if you can't properly get the membrane off, sometimes you can get away with just cutting through the membrane just so you get that water, moisture in there. It comes right off the bone. Why they call it rub is because you rub the mutilated meat.
Just to see if it's metal. Add your favorite metal beer. Top off flavoring.
Now, as your mutilated pig flesh is preparing in the rub you made with your two glorious Warhammer hands, your sweat and brawn digest into the meat, you now must prepare your smoker. Best thing you do is buy some wood chips. To get this a nice good smoke, you must soak your wood chips in water or beer, because it wouldn't be true unless the smoke would be beer. So what you do is you take a plate full of wood chips, like you eat for cereal in the morning, and you soak them in this bowl of water and beer. Usually I eat this for breakfast. This is one of my favorite things. But to add the extra flavor to your smoke, you must add some rosemary. Luckily, I have been blessed by the metal gods with a garden full of herbs where I can now place that in there. Now, you either have a great bowl of cereal or you have your wood chips prepared for your mutilated pig flesh in your smoker. Now, we must place
My mutilated pig flesh.
inside my own personal smoker. The temperature you want is 200 degrees.
I know the pits of hell are much hotter than that, but you must cook it at this temperature so your offering is prepared for the gods of Valhalla perfectly. You must cook it low and slow, just like your favorite doom metal band.
6 hours later.
That's how you make beer-infused ribs, alright? You got the delicious rub that you created yourself and mutilated pig flesh.